The greatest invention of our time, or the beginning of humanity's downfall? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the center of some of the biggest controversies of our time. From deepfake scandals to millions of jobs lost, and the terrifying idea that AI could outthink us, this technology is both a marvel and a menace. So, is AI our best friend or our worst nightmare? Let's dive in. Here's a shocking fact. AI could replace over 300 million jobs worldwide. And we're not just talking about factory workers and cashiers. AI is coming for creative jobs too. In 2023, Hollywood actors and writers went on strike over AI concerns. Studios wanted to use AI to replicate actors' faces and voices forever, without paying them. AI is already writing articles, composing music, and even generating artwork. Some experts argue that AI could create new industries, just like the internet did. The question is, will AI create more jobs than it destroys? Or are we headed for mass unemployment? AI is supposed to be neutral, right? Wrong. From facial recognition misidentifying people of color to hiring algorithms discriminating against women, AI has been caught reinforcing human biases. In 2018, Amazon had to scrap its AI hiring tool because it automatically downgraded resumes from women. Why? It was trained on past hiring data, which favored men. Bias in AI is often invisible until it's too late. Some experts believe AI can be made more fair with stricter regulations and transparency in training data. But will companies prioritize ethics over profit? Picture this: a video of a world leader declaring war. Except it never happened. Deepfake technology has advanced so much that it's becoming nearly impossible to tell real from fake. In 2023, an AI deepfake cloned Joe Rogan's voice to promote a fake supplement. It was so realistic that even Rogan himself was shocked. AI isn't just faking voices and videos, it's shaping what we believe. Social media platforms use AI algorithms to decide what news we see, what goes viral, and even what political opinions get boosted. AI is literally controlling the flow of information. Did you know AI is tracking everything you do online? Your searches, your messages, even your voice recordings, all being analyzed to predict your behavior and target you with ads. But here's the real concern. What happens when AI is used for mass surveillance? China already uses AI-powered facial recognition cameras to track its citizens in real time. Could other countries follow? Governments are racing to regulate AI, but can laws even keep up with its rapid growth? How much privacy are you willing to give up for convenience? This is where things get truly terrifying. AI is evolving faster than we ever expected. Some experts warn that superintelligent AI, one that surpasses human intelligence, could arrive in our lifetime. The scariest part? We might not be able to control it. Elon Musk, Stephen Hawking, and even AI's own creators have sounded the alarm. They warn that we could be building something smarter than us, with no off switch. Military AI is already being developed for autonomous drones and AI-powered weapons. The biggest fear? An AI that decides who lives and who dies, without human intervention. So what do you think? Is AI a game-changing innovation, or are we playing with fire? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust AI right now? Drop your number in the comments. And if you love deep dives into cutting-edge tech, hit that subscribe button, because my next video is about the weirdest things AI has ever done. And trust me, you won't believe number 3. See you in the next one.